I'm Rachel, I'm a mom, an entrepreneur, and I run a YouTube channel where I share my life and my love of all things fashion and beauty. Over the years, I have shared so many big moments with my audience, from my engagement to my wedding, my first home, my first child. Now I want to share the love and help amazing women celebrate their own memorable moments in style. Let's get ready, we have some memories to make.
I feel the magic in me.
Sara is a yoga instructor and a social media manager who is preparing to say I do to her fiance, Jake. Along with the wedding, there are a lot of events and parties coming up: the rehearsal dinner, the bachelorette party, the engagement party, and Sara's feeling really overwhelmed.
I really need somebody's help, which is why I called Rachel.
Oh my God! Hello, you must be Sara!
Oh, I'm so excited that you're here.
When did you get engaged? Tell me about your fiance. Tell me everything. I love weddings.
Jake really is the love of my life. He proposed to me at camp, which to some people sounds really strange, but it's where we met, it's where we got engaged, and we knew that it was definitely where we were gonna get married. There was no question.
And what about Jake? Tell me all about Jake.
Well, he works in the Navy, and so he's been away for about 2 months right now. I'm excited for him to come home so we can start getting everything planned.
And of course, I hear you have a bridal shower coming up.
Yes, yeah, my friends and family are throwing me a bridal shower this week.
Well, that'll be fun.
I'm a little bit terrified. I'm kind of worried about not having anything to wear.
Don't worry about that. That's why I'm here.
Unless I plan on wearing black stretchy pants, then I need some help from Rachel to figure out what I'm gonna do for the party. As you can see, all workout clothes and not a lot of color. Pretty much what I think of as my formal wear would be stretchy dress.
Okay. We love a good stretchy dress. I have tons of them. But maybe not for a bridal shower.
Yeah. I think I really want to go for something a lot more feminine. I really would like to look, you know, pretty. I want to be kind of girly.
You're already pretty. You don't have to worry about that. Well, we can dress you up.
I can't believe I get to go shopping with Rachel. Who better to help me fix my style?
Sara is such a gorgeous, natural beauty, so I really don't want her to look too overdone.
I really do trust Rachel to figure all of this out for me, but while I'm shopping, I'm a little terrified. The lace, capped sleeves, it's super far out of my comfort zone.
Love it.
But I was super nervous about this dress, and now that I'm in it, I feel so confident. I actually can't believe it.
It looks so good on you. It fits
Thank
you perfectly.
This, I think, is the first time I actually feel like a bride. It's the first time I'm in white.
What I especially love about this dress is that we can turn it into multiple outfits, and you can wear it for several different occasions, and then you don't have to think about it because you have the one staple piece that works for everything.
Oh my gosh, you look so pretty.
Oh, thank you. It's so cute.
I love this outfit on you. This is perfect for rehearsal dinner, something where you're meeting the families and it's a little bit more elegant, but this really blings up the whole outfit, makes it really nighttime, and it goes great with the shoes. They're a little bit girly.
I've never worn bows in my life, but I think these really work, and I like the navy color. I feel more sophisticated than I usually do, that's for sure, and I definitely feel a little bit more grown up, which is kind of what I need.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you look so nice, and this is like the perfect outfit. I love it. You look so cute. What do you think?
Again, something I would never wear. Baby pink also terrifies me, but I really think Jake is gonna be pleasantly surprised. He really rarely sees me in anything feminine.
And I'm surprised you don't wear more pink, because it's a beautiful color on you. I love this casual sweater. So super comfy and really light, and it just covers it so it looks like it's a little skirt, which is cute.
I don't think I've ever worn a sweater over a dress ever.
This is a good casual way to wear the dress. So even after the whole wedding is done, like I went out for brunch right after the next morning.
Yeah.
So this would be a great time to wear that. Oh my gosh, you look so good.
I absolutely love it. I would never ever think to put leather and lace together.
It just makes it a little bit edgy, but still really feminine. We had the edgy earrings, which look really gorgeous with the leather jacket. We have the wedges, which look amazing with
and
the whole
easy
look.
to walk in.
Always a bonus, right? And I love having the little belt as well, because it kind of cuts up the lace, makes it a little bit different than the other outfits as well, which is nice. It looks so good on you, and it's perfect for stacking dough, Jack and Jill.
cocktail or even like a bachelorette. You're a model, pose, pose. Oh, that looks so good. And if you want to go dancing after, you can take off the jacket.
Perfect.
And it's still a perfect little outfit.
I feel so good in this. I never ever would put this dress on, but it makes me feel really special. I had such an amazing time shopping with Rachel. I can't even wait for what's to come.
And of course, I cannot wait to show you the final outfit for the bridal shower, but you're going to have to stay tuned to the absolute end of the series in order to see it.
Don't miss the next episode where I have a very special friend coming in to help me with Sara's hair, and stay tuned for the entire series so you don't miss the big transformation. And I have a huge surprise for Sara that I cannot wait for you guys to see.